Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Truth Social app on your iPhone or iPad in any country. So guys, Truth Social app is only available in US and Canada. So guys, I'm not living in US and Canada, so I want to download Truth Social app. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open the App Store app. So tap on your profile icon on the right corner, tap on your Apple ID. So guys, tap on country region, bad message, so tap on change country or region. So guys, scroll down and find US country. So you tap on United States, tap on agree, tap on none if you don't have any credit card. So guys, enter any address. So guys, zip. So guys, enter any phone number, tap on next. So 5-digit zip code, 4-digit zip code. So guys, find so guys, zip code is 35242. 35242. So guys, search. So guys, here is the Truth Social app. You can install this. So guys, here you can see it, guys. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.